tú sabes. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. And for no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blonde y se cae Dolores. Ella quiere.
Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers was popping. And for the one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. So today I'm gonna get to a video that I've been working on, and I'm gonna show y'all right now because I ain't gonna talk much, you know, and I'm gonna just get down to it. But I just wanna say God bless. And I hope everything's going good with you guys. Like I always say, keep praying. Never forget to pray. Always pray. So let's get to the video that I'm working on right now.
Llego sin aviso, en la vida improviso y a huevo que se está haciendo chido el guiso. El estilo de mi barrio voy poliendo y pura vivencia en mi libreta voy poniendo. Guacha, el respeto se lo doy al que de veras lo merece, no al pendejo que solo me languece.
Okay, so right now I am gonna be doing the front wheel. I got this all nice and cleaned up. I got the spokes, the caps for them, and the rim. A little nervous, but let's get to it, guys. Alright, guys, so I did something totally wrong. You know what I mean? Something that you do for like the first time or whatever, you're gonna do it wrong. You're gonna keep doing it wrong till you learn from your mistakes. So I learned from my mistakes, which was I was like, cause I was tightening all this, right? And it was still loose. I'm like, why the heck is still loose? Like it was like, look, you see how loose it is? It was too loose, and I was trying to figure it out, like why it's loose, why it's loose. So I guess the middle, like this right here, this part right here, is different from the front wheel or the back wheel. It's different. It's a different setup. You know what I mean? So the one I have to use for this is right. This part is different from the spokes. So the spokes I used for this one was for the back rim, which was for the other, the other middle piece. And this one is, the spokes on this one that I put on is bigger. I was supposed to put on the smaller spokes for this certain style right here. So I gotta retake all this off and do it again. But hey, you live and you learn, and I learned, so now I'm gonna take it all off.
Esto es para mi serio, mi amigo. El mundo es tuyo, de aquel hipo es también mío. Como salió también en la movie del Alfa Chino. Pa' todo sale el sol, y esto es lo mío. El hip hop rap y llega como tatuaje van conmigo. Yo no me fío, y claro desconfío.
And I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. Alright, so this spoke is from this setup right here. This spokes is from the other one. If y'all can see the difference of sizes. Let me see if I'm doing it right. See the different sizes? So when I mean about that, I mean about see how this one is smaller than this. Okay, so what I gotta do with this one is I gotta remove all this to put the spokes in. Yep, I gotta remove this to put the spokes in, and this right here is a lot heavier. This right here is a lot heavier. So to make it easier on me, I'm gonna have to remove this part. And I'm gonna show you how to put it back together, cause I had trouble too putting this together. And just by looking at your other parts, guys, if you have trouble putting a part together, just look at the same part, the same item, and go by the same, by the same piece. Hopefully I can do this quick. I'm trying to do it quick, but in a good way, So let's get to it, guys. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is
por lo mío y no me río, pues qué te pasa, esto es para mí serio, mi amigo. El mundo es tuyo, de aquel hijo es también mío, como salió también en la movie de la Pacino.
Boom, got my first one in.
Esto es lo mío, el tipo rap y llega como un
So I'm just gonna do this quick, but if y'all want me in another video to show you how to lace up your wheels, I will do another video of that later on. But for right now, I'm trying to get this sucker in and get it done. Alright, so this is the final process. The white spokes with the blue outline, the blue rim. I got the frame, same color. Showing if you want to put it together. But this is what I got done. What y'all think, guys? She just put right here the little detail on them. What y'all think, guys? Took some old rusted ass rims and made it look like that. It look nice. Yeah, this took a little time. It's because I let it take time. You know what I mean? But you know, it's gonna be quicker next time. This took probably a few months, you know, on and off. Yeah, just on and off. You know, due to work. You know, I wish I had to work and do this full time. You know, but fortunately, life. I gotta work, guys. But one day, this will be my full-time job. You know, doing videos and showing y'all, you know, how to and, you know, hooking y'all rides up. But yeah, this is what I got done. Gotta order a few parts. I got some parts here. As y'all can see, I got some parts here. So what's gonna go on it is gonna be one of these 3, you know. So got some chain guards. I got some sissy bars. Some tires ready. So yeah, that's what I got, guys, going on. I think I need the fork. I gotta set the forks upstairs, but they're gonna be you know, they gotta be cleaned up. They rusted too, so I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, finish those, clean those up. But yeah, that's what I got going on, guys. You know, I just want to thank y'all, you know, for the love and support. I appreciate y'all, guys. Till next time, peace. Alright, guys, so what y'all think about the you know, my wheels and my frame? You know, I did that. You know, it took a while, but like I said, you know what I mean, with the kids and all, family, just being busy in life, you know, because I gotta be busy. I gotta be busy. If not, I'm gonna go crazy. But how y'all think it turned out? I think it turned out nice. This ain't gonna be my first my first pair. I'm gonna keep doing more and more and more, you know. So it's gonna be lit. Right now I'm holding my camera cause my freaking stand, my pod stand, whatever you call it, broke. So I gotta get a new one. And you know, but it is what it is. But I was gonna say, God bless y'all guys. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. Add me on Instagram. Y'all don't got my Instagram. Add me on Instagram. I got some, you know what I mean, nice contact in there too. TikTok as well. Holla at me. Let me know. You know, follow me through life. You know, and thank you guys for real. I appreciate y'all. God bless and have a good night. Have a good day. Take care, guys. God bless.